Alrighty, good morning y'all. My name's Sydney with Earthworks. We're out here in TPC Sawgrass to go over a project we just finished. The client came to us because they'd moved into the house about a year ago and they were just looking to redo their driveway and get their landscape done up to where the level they wanted for the new house. Start with the driveway. So we actually expanded it about 7 feet on the other side because they wanted to be able to have at least 2 cars in the driveway and still be able to get in and out of the garage. That came out nicely. As you can see, it's working perfectly for them. And then out here in TPC, one of the issues we've run into in the past is water table is very high here, so they end up with a lot of flooding whenever it rains real bad. So what we actually did was for the first 16 feet of the driveway apron, we did a foot of 57 stone, then came in on top of that with our crushed concrete, and then we laid our pavers on top of that. We ran a 8-inch drainage pipe through the 57 stone, so whenever we do get those heavy rains like we get here, it percolates through the 57 stone, goes into that drainage pipe, and then runs out into the yard, so we're not having water retention issues underneath the driveway. We proposed a number of paver colors, shapes for the driveway, different landscape plans, different plants, and we finally settled on what you see here. They're super thrilled. It came out great. And then as far as the landscaping goes, they were really going for more of a tropical vibe, you know, just moved to Florida looking to kind of match that energy. So we came in with some crotons on the far end over there. And then this wonderful loquat was existing, so it was important to them to keep. We went with, you know, some nice low ground cover that blew my mind, flowers all year round. The liriope were actually existing up near the house, so we transplanted those out here. And then pretty much we did the new walkway wrapping around, got the new landscape following it. And then one of the other important things to them was they wanted a little seating area. We just did a little bump out on the walkway where they could put 2 Adirondack chairs out so they could enjoy the neighborhood and their new landscaping.
Okay, so we're new to the Cypress Creek community and we wanted to upgrade our landscaping. I met Sydney and Jason at Earthworks and immediately had them over. They're great rapport. He did tell me my options. He gave me my best options available for what we had here. And my wife and I are completely excited about how everything came out. New color, you know, quality of grass, and then to top it off, they actually did my pavers and the walkway to the house. The house looks beautiful. Very happy with my choice and everything that Earthworks did.
Alrighty guys, and just wanted to let you know, if you too have a vision of what you think your yard, your landscape, your driveway, whatever it is, just you have some vision of what it could be, and you know, you can see this project behind me here, it turned out great. So definitely look us up, Earthworks Jacks. We're the ones to make it happen.